Welcome in today's lecture, page number 31. We are on page number 31, second paragraph. Okay, second paragraph. The line is sixth line, seventh line. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is a half meter deep. That pit, जो एग वहां डाले जाते हैं, फीमेल टर्टल जहां एग डालती है, वो जो पिट होता है वो हाफ मीटर डीप होता है. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 and near about 150 eggs that are laid inside. Egg hunters, okay, जो एग चुराने वाले होते हैं लोग, वो क्या करते हैं, उन सभी अंडों को स्टील करते हैं. They steal all 100 and 150 eggs laid by female turtle that are laid inside. They steal, वो सब कुछ चुरा लेते हैं. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. These 100 and 150 eggs, they are either eaten or they are sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. अगर egg hunters को कोई फीमेल टर्टल दिखती है कि वो अंडे दे रही है, तो they allow female turtle to lay eggs. फीमेल टर्टल को eggs lay करने के लिए वो टाइम देते हैं, allow करते हैं, और and after laying eggs they steal the eggs. Okay, so as soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. As soon as laying eggs, the female is caught and the female is killed and eaten. Very bad. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. Ruthless. What is ruthless? Cruel. This cruel action or this cruel practice, observe means done, all the parts of the world. दुनिया की सभी जहाँ फीमेल टर्टल डिस्कवर होती है, दिखाई देती है या मिलती है, वहाँ इस क्रूएल प्रैक्टिस को या इस क्रूएल एक्शन को किया जाता है. मतलब लोग फीमेल टर्टल को मारते हैं, उसे खाते हैं, अंडों को मारते हैं, अंडों को चुरा कर उसे खाते हैं या मार्केट में बेचते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule First of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. लेकिन इंडिया में इसको प्रोटेक्शन दिया गया है, इसका एक कायदा बनाया गया 1932 में. वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट मेड इन 1972. Okay, in schedule 1 there is a law for the protection of this turtle eggs. Okay, next. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. tigers के इतना ही turtle eggs को अब protection है. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on in a secret hush manners. So therefore business task of gathering turtle eggs को gathering करना, collecting करना and killing turtles और turtles को मारना is carried on a secret. It is a secret task. मतलब secretly उनको मारा जाता है. पहले openly मारा जाता था, लेकिन 1972 के बाद इनको स्टील करना, इनको मारना सीक्रेटली किया जाता है इन अ हश मैनर. हश मैनर मींस कॉन्फिडेंशियल मैनर. बहुत ही चुपके उनको पकड़ा जाता है, उनको मारा जाता है. सो इट इज डन. मारना ये कंटिन्यू है, लेकिन इट इज डन इन अ कॉन्फिडेंशियल मैनर एंड इन अ सीक्रेट मैनर. दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वाज डिस्ट्रेसिंग. और ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिली कि सीक्रेटली कॉन्फिडेंशियल मैनर से उनको मारा जाता है, तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन राइटर और उनके टीम के लिए डिस्ट्रेसिंग थी. डिस्ट्रेसिंग इज अपसेटिंग. दिस टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन was very much upsetting for the writer and his team. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. So writer and his team decided to undertake a project. Undertake a project means to start a project for the protection and conservation. What is conservation? Preservation. Protection and preservation of turtles. इनके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करने का हमने डिसाइड किया एंड देयर नेस्ट, टर्टल्स और नेस्ट का प्रोटेक्शन करना और उसके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करने का हमने डिसाइड किया. पेज नंबर 31 we have completed. Now see on page number 32. We had no experience regarding sea turtles, so first of all we undertook a study of turtles. So first of all they started study of sea turtles because they had no any experience. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. So writer and his team contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles. turtles के लिए या turtles के प्रोटेक्शन के लिए काम करने वाली जो इंस्टीट्यूशंस थी, जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस थी, उनको राइटर एंड हिज टीम ने पहले कांटेक्ट किया उनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करने के लिए. The next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Velas, Taluka, Mandangarh, District Ratnagiri. So after collecting information or after contacting institutes, next step क्या था? Launching a turtle protection campaign. Campaign means program. Starting turtle protection program. Program start करना कहाँ? वेलास में. अब वेलास कहाँ है? मंडनगढ़ तालुका एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी में. ये जो प्लेस है वेलास, उस वेलास में इस टर्टल प्रोटेक्शन के कार्यक्रम को, प्रोग्राम को लॉन्च किया गया या अगला स्टेप लिया गया. This was done with the support and cooperation of the forest department. Forest department के cooperation से, उनके support and help से इस प्रोग्राम को लॉन्च किया गया, स्टार्ट किया गया. As part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtle nest on the beach in the morning. As a part of campaign, as a part of program, few local people, वहाँ के जो local people थे गांव में रहने वाले, they were specially appointed, उनको appoint किया गया to look for sea turtles nest in the beach, to look for, to observe, or you can say to investigate. They were appointed, the village people were appointed to investigate turtle nest on the beach in the morning. When they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with वायर फेंसिंग. ओके, और अगर उनको कहीं एग्स मिल जाते हैं, टर्टल के एग्स मिल जाते हैं, तो उनको उस पिट से, उस गड्ढे से निकाल के अनदर पिट में उसको बरी करने का काम दिया गया. ओके, सो व्हेन दे केम अक्रॉस द नेस्ट, दे हैड टू केयरफुली रिमूव द एग्स. विलेज पीपल हैड टू केयरफुली रिमूव द एग्स फ्रॉम दैट नेस्ट, फ्रॉम दैट पिट, एंड दे हैड टू बरी इन अ सिमिलर नेस्ट, इन अ सिमिलर पिट. बिकॉज कोई भी थीफ या एग स्टील करने वाला कोई भी व्यक्ति हो, वो उस अंडों को ढूंढ ना पाए, इसीलिए ऐसा एक्शन उनको दिया गया. एंड दैट पिट, दैट नेस्ट वाज प्रोटेक्टेड विथ वायर फेंसिंग. वायर फेंसिंग जो था, वायर फेंसिंग उसको कवर किया गया था नेस्ट को. ऐसे नेस्ट में उन अंडों को डालना, ये विलेज पीपल को काम दिया गया. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. They had to watch, they had to keep observation, they had to keep gaze over the protected nest to prevent theft. To prevent means stop. अंडों की चोरी ना हो, कोई भी वहां स्टीलिंग ना हो, इस पर नजर रखने का काम भी उनको दिया गया. Prevent theft means to prevent means to stop thefts. In the first year, we could successfully protect 50 nests in this manner. और फर्स्ट ईयर इनको सक्सेस मिला they protected or they could successfully protect 50 nests. When the baby is hatched out of the eggs, what an event that was. When the babies hatched out means they came out from the eggs. They came out from eggshells. When they broke shells and came out, what an event, what an event, what a scene that was. कितना अच्छा नजारा था जब इन सभी अंडों में से टर्टल्स के जो बच्चे थे वो बाहर आ गए. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. The whole village rushed to the beach. पूरा गांव बीच पर आ गया था देखने के लिए. To witness means to observe this spectacle, this uncommon incident. Okay. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, what an ovation they received from onlookers. When the tiny turtle hatchlings means baby animals, when the tiny babies of turtles hurried across the silver lands, they rushed across the silver lands to meet the rolling boundless sea. Rolling boundless means vast. So when they went to the vast sea, what an ovation they received. Ovation means cheer. मतलब उनको बहुत cheer मिला, उनको बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिला. लोगों ने जब ये देखा तो उन्होंने जैसे स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन मिलता है, ओके, cheer up करने के लिए, वैसे उन बच्चों को cheer up मिला when they went towards the sea and they got ovation means they got cheer up from the onlookers means from the villagers who were on the beach. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was far for the first time that they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. Okay, some of the elderly villagers confessed means they admitted, they agreed, उन्होंने एग्री किया कि वो जब यंग थे तब उन्होंने इस सी टर्टल्स के अंडों को चुराया था. ओके, they had seen and they had stolen turtle eggs right from their school days. जब वो स्कूल में थे तब वो इन अंडों को चुराया करते थे, ऐसा एल्डर्स ने कन्फेस किया. And it was for first time for the elders that they had seen babies, that they had seen hatchlings. Hatchling means baby animals or babies of turtles. They had seen baby turtles first rushing to the sea, going to the sea. Okay, next paragraph. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. 7 में से 5 जो है वो इंडिया में मिलते हैं. The olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Olive ridley प्रकार के जो टर्टल्स है एंटायर महाराष्ट्र का जो कोस्टलाइन है, जो बीच है, समंदर के किनारे हैं, उन किनारों पे ऑलिवर रिडले टाइप के टर्टल्स नेस्ट बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, ग्रीन टर्टल्स एंड hawksbills have also been found in India or in Maharashtra. An amazing characteristic of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearby after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. Very amazing thing. देखिए, amazing characteristic. This is an amazing thing, surprising thing, that female turtles comes on that same place, at the same place where she was born for laying eggs after reaching maturity. When she becomes mature, when she becomes ready for laying eggs, she returns to the same place where she was born. जहाँ उसका जन्म हुआ होता है उसी प्लेस पे वो अंडे देने के लिए आती है. ये बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंग थिंग है टर्टल्स के बारे में. The female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs and immediately returns to the sea. Okay, the female comes on the shore just to make nest on the sand and lay her eggs. Female जो है वो female turtle जो है वो बीच पर for the purpose of laying eggs and for the purpose of making nest, इसी purpose के लिए आती है. So page number 32, we are on page number 32. Last paragraph हमारा चल रहा है. The remaining part of the paragraph we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.